Hello everybody, it's me again. This is part 2 of the cat.
Yes.
Let's play. No, I don't want to. No, what? No, I don't want.
Join me.
That's what I'm doing, Natalie.
What?
So if you haven't seen the first video, this video won't really make sense.
Yeah.
So make sure to go watch it. It is called Cat.1. Remember to go and look up my YouTube channel.
Please subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe and like. And watch all my videos. Alright.
And comment which video did you like more, part 2 or part 1?
Please comment. Now!
Okay,
If you don't comment, then you will have bad luck for 1 year.
Yes, you will. Now, if you want.
Now?
And
Alright. Hi, little kitty.
pretend you remember me. Wait, do you?
Oh, wait. Yeah, I remember. I remember you. You're the cat that tried to escape from me.
Yes. Now I could talk.
Yes, I can know you can talk. I'm gonna go back in my house.
Well, please don't leave me.
But you wanted to leave me, so...
I want another cat. I want my friend. Go find a cat friend. I'm leaving you.
Okay, then leave me. You know what? I'm gonna go get... Hey, I'll be gone, okay? Who?
Okay.
Yeah,
she looks ugly. Kick her. Say you can't be in the cat house. This is a YouTube video.
Did she leave? Bruh.
You should close your door next time. Let's say we should.
Okay, bam.
Part 2 later. Okay, I feel like I want to play with doggy. Yeah. Let's say I'm stuck. Go over stuck.
I guess I'll make a YouTube video right now. Let me get my gamer stuff. Alright, hello everybody. I'm making a YouTube video on a YouTube video, which is kind of weird.
Part 2.
And everybody, make sure to like and subscribe. Oh yeah.
Keep doing that.
Keep. And never stop liking and subscribing. You got that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's go.
Bruh.
Hi, little kitty. Do you want your milk?
No.
No? Okay.
No. I have my little friend here. Do you see her?
Mm-hmm.
Where is she?
On your chest.
Do you see my other friend?
Yes.
Where is she?
On your thing.
My little basket. Oh, girl, you better get out of our house.
It's not coming out. Boop. People. Oh, wait. Lock.
I'm hungry.
What do you want?
Poop poop. That means I want a pear.
Oh, you want a pear? I don't have a pear, but I do have an apple. Do you want an apple?
I want a pear.
I don't have a pear. Do you want a banana?
I'll find me a pear.
You know what? How about
Ooh, Doritos.
how about this? Will this make you better? No.
Yes, yes, yes. I love me some fishy.
Natalie, come and see. I said that room, my studio to sew.
I want to see.
I'm gonna make you really nice shorts and t-shirts, skirts, and you're gonna see. Not even in the stores. Come and see. Come and see. Come
Can I
and
see
my
too?
students. Yeah, both of you. I'm gonna sew for both of you.
Yeah, but no 20? Yeah, that's what I traded in. They gave me 500 bucks. Oh, no, sorry, 850. Yeah, you traded in, go straight, it's paid off. It's only not on you never like, you can still do it. You can still do it, you just have to keep paying. But I traded in, I paid like 350, 360, and I got it to Samsung credit. Yeah, if you made 850, you got it to credit. You know it's bad. You know what? I get mine unlocked. I get mine unlocked, so I feel like if there's a good deal somewhere, you know, keep my number with the company. That's that guarantee.
Did you go to high school with her?
Yeah.
Were you in the same class?
Yeah, one time.
Only one time?
Only one time. Yeah.
Why?
Because she's younger than me.
Yeah, by 2 years. What's say there?
If you go directly to your company, you have to pay off the balance.
Somebody at my house.
Finish already. I want to read it.
And that? You remember when we went to see that class? The algebra class? You remember? You got it? With the
Bruh.